How's everybody doing today, Keto family? Matt Joyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Keto Blueberry Cheesecakes from scratch. Take a look at these. I'm going to show you how to make these, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. All right, Keto Blueberry Cheesecake. Let me show you how to make these right now. All right, we're gonna start off with our crust. A half cup of almond flour, a half teaspoon of Lakanto powdered monk fruit sweetener, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And mix until combined. All right, we're gonna set aside the crust and now work on the filling. So we have 1 block of softened cream cheese. We're gonna put in a 1/4 cup of Lakanto powdered monk fruit sweetener, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half teaspoon of baking powder, 10 drops of liquid stevia, one tablespoon of sour cream, the juice of a 1/4 lime, and 1 egg, and mix until combined. All right, we're gonna add 1/3 cup of blueberries and just mix gently into the mixture. All right, time to build our cheesecakes. We have our baking tin here, and we have our baking cups. Let's place our crust on the bottom. Now let's just flatten the crust to the bottom. All right, now to add the fillings. All right, it's looking good. Time to place these into the oven. Look at these blueberry cheesecakes. Now we're going to allow these to cool for at least 1 to 2 hours before consuming. All right, it's been about 2 hours and I've been waiting very patiently to try some Keto Blueberry Cheesecake. These look incredible. That is delicious. Tastes just like blueberry cheesecake. Without the carbs, without the sugar. Man, that is really good. Man, those are absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 recipes I will link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am sure you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your day. Matt Joyce setting out.